Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be showcasing how to utilize PHP to extract a bank statement using PDF.co web API. To gain access to the complete tutorial, kindly refer to the link provided in the description box below. Do visit PDF.co for additional information. We will use this sample bank statement to extract data in JSON format. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, start the Apache server so we can run the program on our local machine. Next, open your preferred code editor, such as Visual Studio Code or any other editor compatible with PHP. After opening your preferred code editor, simply add the PHP in HTML sample code. The source code can be accessed via the provided link below. After adding the sample code, save the files in a folder inside the www or docs directory depending on whether you are using XAMPP or WAMP server. Now to run the program, go to your tab browser and type localhost/folder name/HTML file. Next, add your API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Then input the source file. And input the template containing the bank statement extracted data. Finally, click on the Proceed button to send a request. The program runs successfully and returned a temporary URL. Click on the URL to view the output. Here's the extracted data from bank statement in JSON format. We have a wide range of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.